I lived in many places, and I was working with a Jamaican guy, and he showed me for the first time the 100% paste. This is how we make cocoa tea. And then I learned you see Mingao likes to show me.
Oh, Papa, hello.
So then I fell in love because my mom is a chocoholic. I knew only like Swiss chocolates and Belgian chocolates. And then, cacao connects me with nature, with politics, with like, I like it because there's a lot you can do by talking about chocolate and cacao.
Yeah,
So it's like my, my weapon.
We came from Bahia, and then we just moved here to like this road. We didn't know that Beatrix lived here, and well, things just organized, and finally we are doing this. It's been like many years' dream for this to happen, and that's very nice.
The World's Day.